Let's start the video on bryophyte. Bryos, it means moss, and phytons, it means plant. The term bryophyte was coined by Braun Braun 1864. Science dealing with bryophyte is termed as bryology. The common characteristic of bryophyte, it means the main characteristic of bryophyte is it is avascular plant. There is no vascular bundle is present, and it forms embryo, that's is embryophyta, but there is no root, stem and leaf proper structure. In place of root it has rhizoid. This bryophyte divided into two main divisions. First one is a liverwort and second one is moss. What is the difference between these liverwort and moss? Liverwort, the other name of liverwort is known as Hepaticopsida. Liverwort usually grows in moist and shady habitat or bank of stream, marshy areas. This is the example of Markensia. Markensia first division is liverwort, and the common example is Markensia. This one is the female thallus and this one is the male thallus. How do you identify this one is the female and this one is the male thallus? Because it has male sex organ or female sex organs. Okay, male sex organ is known as antheridium and female is known as archegonium. It also do sexual or asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction by the formation of gamma cup. Gamma cup is the asexual reproducing part, and sexual reproduction by the male and female structures, gametes producing structure. Markensia, see Markensia, it is the vegetative part and thalloid structure. Thallus means there is no stem, root and leaf formation. तो थैलड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर एंड डाइकोटोमसली ब्रांच्ड स्ट्रक्चर है इसमें. थैलस इज डॉर्सी वेंट्रल है, यानी अपर एंड लोअर सरफेस दिख रहा है इसमें, एंड क्लोजली अप्रेस्ड टू द सबस्ट्रेटम, यानी ईंट के पास बिल्कुल लगा हुआ है. लीफी मेंबर्स हैव टाइनी लीफ लाइक अपेंडेजेस इन 2 rows ऑफ द स्टेम स्ट्रक्चर. ईच हैज सेल क्लोरोप्लास्ट, मतलब इसमें बहुत सारे क्लोरोप्लास्ट होते हैं बट विदाउट पायरियोनाइड. देयर इज नो पायरियोनाइड इज प्रेजेंट. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation or a special structure that is known as gamma cup. Gamma cup से भी asexual reproduction हो रहा हो, fermentation process fragmentation process से भी इसमें division asexual reproduction हो रहा है. Gamma cup, see here, this one is the gamma cup. On getting detached, germinate to form new individual. During sexual reproduction के time male and female sex organs are produced on the same plant or on different thalli. If it is present on the same thalli, that is known as monoecious plant. Example is Rixia. And on the different thalli, that is known as dioecious. This one is the dioecious Markensia. Example is Markensia. Dioecious, it means different, male plant अलग और female plant अलग है. तो and the reproduction is of oogamous type. It means male and female reproductive structure is present. Antheridia, this is the male reproductive part, produce एंथीरोजॉइड प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. एंड सी हेयर द एंथीरिडियोफोर एज अ मेल एंथीरिडिया आर बोर्न ऑन एंथीरिडियोफोर. दे प्रोड्यूस फ्लैजिलेटेड एंथीरोजॉइड. दिस वन इज द मेल स्पर्म्स बोलेंगे और दिस वन इज द फीमेल. दिस वन इज द मेल एंथीरिडियोस्पोर और स्पर्म भी बोलेंगे. फीमेल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स कॉल्ड आर्चिगोनिया. दे बोर्न ऑन आर्चिगोनियोफोर. The egg is enclosed inside this. Okay, sporophyte is differentiated and after the sexual reproduction. Female sex organs is archegonia and they born on archegoniophore and egg enclosed inside this, and this is flagellated antherozoids or sperms come to this female reproductive part and form and do fertilization and form diploid zygote. Okay, this zygote undergo mitotic division and form sporophyte stage. This sporophyte differentiate into foot, seta and capsule. There are 3 regions in foot, seta and capsule. Spores germinate and each forming a free living gametophyte. But in mosses is also the division of bryophyte. This is the foliage bryophyte. foliage मतलब लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इसमें लीफ की तरह कुछ नहीं था, लेकिन मॉसेस में क्या है, लीफ लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है. इट हैज़ 2 branches. This one is the 2 branch. Okay. Male branch, it produce male reproductive part, that is known as antheridium, and archegonia is present in on female reproductive part. Male reproductive organ produce male gamete. It means such look like this antherozoid, and this antherozoid come to female reproductive part, and there here fertilization takes place, and 2n number of structure, that is known as zygote form. Zygote undergo mitotic division, and this one is the sporophyte stage develop, which always attached with this gametophyte stage. Gametophyte is the dominant phase of this bryophyte. Bryophytes का dominant phase जो होगा gametophyte, it means it has n number of chromosome. What is the life cycle of this gametophyte? And what is the difference between these liverwort and mosses? Because it is dorsiventral and it is foliage type. It has unicellular unbranched rhizoid is present in place of root, and it has rhizoids which is branched and multicellular, and leaf-like structure is present. There is no leaf-like structure is present. Main difference is there, but there is no vascular bundle at all in bryophyte. This is the life cycle of bryophyte, that is also known as the alternation of generation. This is also known as the alternation of generation. And see here, this is the adult plant which has two branches, male branch or female branch. Male branch, that is known as antherozoid, antheridiophore जिसको कहेंगे. It has antheridium. Young antheridium is in cluster form, and this is the structure of antheridium. It is the male reproductive structure, and this is the structure of antheridium. At maturity, it release sperm or antherozoids, which is diflagellated. Though flagella is present, or biflagellated. And same time in female reproductive branch, archegoniophore, this is known as archegoniophore, and archegonium is present. Lot of archegonium is present in cluster. And see, this one is the diagram of archegonium. Here egg is produced, sperms released from mature antheridium, and through water it come to this egg apparatus and fertilize here and form 2n number of zygote. Zygote undergo mitotic division and form, see, this one is the gametophyte. कौन सा gametophyte? Sporophyte, यानी 2n number of chromosome. It has 2n number of chromosome because male has n number of male gamete has n number of chromosome, and female gamete also has n number of chromosome. After the fusion of these gamete, यानी fertilization, a zygote is produced inside the egg apparatus, ovary, and this ovary fertilize, and after fertilization it undergo mitotic division and produce this 2n number of structure, that is known as sporophyte. This is one is the sporophyte of this structure. This it has foot, seta, and capsule. This sporophyte has three parts. Foot is the basal portion of sporangia that lies embedded in the parent tissues and absorb water and nutrient from it. Seta, this one is the seta. It helps in conducting of water and food to capsule. And capsule, see, it is a pear-shaped structure and body covered by the cup-like structure, that is known as calyptra. ये देखिए cap-like structure है calyptra, which soon fall off and release spores. Inside this, here is a sporangia is present, which bears spores. At this time, spore has 2n number of chromosome. This spores undergo meiosis division. See here, meiosis division and form haploid spores. This haploid spores germinate and form adult plant. This is the sexual cycle of this gametophyte, of this bryophyte. See here, only 2n stage present here. This one on the calyptra capsular region, only 2n portion is here. Yani sporophyte is too short than gametophyte. So dominant phase is gametophyte rather than sporophyte. Vegetative, there are two types of reproduction. Sexual reproduction is here, and asexual reproduction is maybe of a fragmentation process or maybe a specific structure that is in Markensia, that is by the gamma curve से हो सकता है, और bird like structure कोई भी और हो सकता है. तो vegetative and sexual reproduction takes place.